walk outside to know the unknown. Just look outside. How beautiful is it? This beauty has no end. It increases day by day. The beauty of nature, the beauty of culture, and its origination. And now we started a new journey to exploring outside. So why don't you starting with us, the infinite point of view? The new way to see the world, to feel the world. Keep your feet outside and melt your loneliness like a melting snow. You know, life is a flowing river, and if you're wondering to keep it with some artificial boundaries, then it will destroy all of them and create a huge, dangerous tsunami. You should not keep your soul like a prison, and for that reason, we will teach you how to fly with Creative Cloud. Be with you every time.